Welcome back to Luxury Vehicles. Today, we're diving into one of the most cutting-edge hybrid supercars on the planet, the McLaren Artura. The McLaren Artura is a high-performance hybrid supercar that blends cutting-edge technology with iconic British engineering. Powered by a newly developed 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine paired with an electric motor, the Artura delivers a combined output of around 671 horsepower and 531 lb-ft of torque. It features an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and a lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis called the McLaren Carbon Lightweight Architecture, MCLA, allowing it to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.0 seconds. The top speed is electronically limited to 205 miles per hour. The car's plug-in hybrid system allows for up to 19 miles of all-electric range, ideal for short city drives. It has an ultra-minimalist yet driver-focused interior featuring a digital instrument cluster mounted to the steering column, race-inspired paddle shifters, and a vertically oriented infotainment screen. The vehicle boasts an advanced suspension setup with proactive damping control, rear-wheel drive, and Pirelli P0 tires tailored for performance and handling. It also includes the latest driver assistance systems, like adaptive cruise control and road sign recognition. The Artura's sleek, aerodynamic design includes dihedral doors, large side intakes, and aggressive LED lighting, all contributing to reduced drag and optimized downforce. With its commitment to performance and electrification, the McLaren Artura sets a new standard in the world of hybrid supercars. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more amazing content on luxury cars and supercars, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.